dumpling here.
So yes, some beautiful people, yeah man, with a chain line. Yes, so I get to real cow skin soup, a chain line, yeah man, so
Cover your soup.
we'll not pass, yeah man, can cover it. We'll not pass, yeah, sure. So we'll not pass in place, yeah. Then get to know cow skin soup, you know. Yeah man, so with a chain line area. Yeah man, so we can get to know total you call it as on the peanut jobs. Anything you want a chain line and as a respect. Yeah, mommy?
Yes, honey.
Yeah, man, cool.
So I'm going to give you this.
Yeah, man, so can I stop a chain line and get to know soap in the morning. Nice settings over here, so. Long time in place I go on, you know. So when Fire Reid I go through, I will stop a chain line and get in cow skin soap. So big up for yourself and you know watch from yard or abroad. So the True Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid, you know. Greetings, my beautiful people. Yeah man, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So this channel is all about our beautiful island Jamaica. Yeah man, for the countryside and also town side. So if you wanna know Jamaica guys, this is the right channel you're on. So take a tour of Fire Reid. I am in the Alpard main road area. Yeah man, close to one place them call name Speed Bump, also to the new building area. So guys, always look out for the speed bump. Very dangerous, very dangerous. So if you don't know the area guys, look out for that speed bump there. Yeah man, if I want to come to that area there, be careful. So if you make the right turn guys, we'll take you out to Santa Cruz. So I will make the left turn, we'll take you to the Alpart area, to the main primary school side guys, and also we can take you to Junction. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Yes, I'm talking to you. Big up yourself anyway I watch from. Big up yourself. Yeah man, thanks again for stopping by. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Because a lot of people, when them come to Jamaica, them lost and them don't have an idea. So this is where you can get some ideas from the videos guys. Yeah man, so thanks again. So guys, we all know St. Elizabeth is the bread basket of Jamaica. Yeah man, bread basket. When you come to St. Elizabeth, you can get any type of ground food. Yeah man, you have everything at St. Elizabeth. You have a river, you have a beaches. Yeah man, so St. Elizabeth is the place to be. No parish nice like St. Elizabeth guys. Yeah man, so when you touch over the chain line side, as I said, as you see the first part of the video, that's where you can get your best tasting cow foot soup guys. Yeah man, cow skin soup, sorry about that, cow skin soup. Yeah man, I have a peanut. Yeah man, very rich soup. Yeah man, so all of the guys them want to build up them back. Yeah man, so you need to go at chain line, get to the cow skin soup. Not all about the guys them too, you know, what about the females? Yeah man, so now go to the cow skin shop in Maine guys, get some of the cow skin soup, very rich. Yeah man, so leave you check out that area there. And also we can get to the total peanut drops. Yeah man, one love the people and one just the vibes, you know, real Jamaican vibes. So guys, we are coming up on the main square area, guys. Yeah, man. So if you make the left turn, will take you out to the main police station. And also we have a gas station in this area, guys. Yeah, man. Very close to Alpart. Yeah, man. You know, so Alpart is an aluminum bauxite mining company, guys. Also have a Bill Express on your left. Yeah, man, so when I come out of the crossroad, that's what we call it, it's a crossroad. So this tour will take you out to Junction town, guys. Yeah, man, Junction town. Junction in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man, one time I do a video with the Browning girls. Yeah, man, the Junction town. Very, very clean, pretty town. Like that area, guys. So you need to check out when you come my yard. You need to visit the Junction town area. So it's very developed. They have the KFC over that side now. Very clean town, guys. So you need to check it out when you come to Jamaica, you know.
jumping here.
Guys, welcome to Gazeland Square. Yeah, man. Telling us a junction now have to reach the people. So if you like this video, just share it, comment, yeah, man, and indicate where you're watching from. So welcome to Gazeland Square, my people. One love and one heart. See your True Jamaican Vibes. Blessings, man. Yes, I'm talking to you. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man. So you can stop right here, guys, and also get your fresh fruits and also your vegetable. Yeah, man, because you know so them place here, them do a lot of farming. So you can get your thyme, your scallion, your sweet pepper. If you want to season up your pot the right way. Remember, say St. Elizabeth with our paper. Sweet St. Elizabeth, our bread basket. Yeah, man, so let's go again with people. We are going to the Junction side. One love and one heart. Yes, people, if you make the right turn, we'll take you all to Morning Side, Red Bank, them place there. Yeah, man. So people, this is where you can get your steamed fish and okra and bami, also jerk, fry. Yeah man, so when you go on your way to Junction town, you can stop right here and get your steamed fish. A lot of seafood they have done right here guys. So check it out when you're going to Junction side if you feel for some seafood. So welcome to Junction Town guys. Yeah man, we can see KFC. Very clean town guys. Very clean town. So big up all the Junction massive them. Bull Savannah massive them. Top Hill. Big up. it.